present. Assalamu alaikum, I hope you guys doing well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making delicious AFGHANI Kabeli Palaw that's gonna be served with a mouth-watering sauce and dressing of carrots and pistachios. You're really gonna enjoy it. Let's get started. 3 cups of Basmati rice. Wash to remove excess starch and soak in water for 2 hours. Medium heat, add oil. Onions. Cook until golden brown. Now I'm using a lamb leg, but you can also use shoulder. Medium to large cut. Add in the meat. Cook and sear the meat. This will also give it a nice color. These are the main spices you will need: green cardamom, ground cumin, black cardamom, ground cloves, black pepper, and finally salt. Mix and cook the rawness of the spices. Now I'm using a water to deglaze, removing all the stock flavor from the pan. Now I'm going to cover the meat in water. A final mix. Cover and let the meat cook on medium heat for 1 hour 15 minutes. Let's check. The meat should be done by now. Now just turn off the heat. Remove all the juices in the meat in a bowl. Touch of oil. Once you have soaked the rice for at least 2 hours, make sure to wash it again and drain all the water. Add the rice back in the same pan. Make sure to distribute it evenly. 4 3/4 cups of juices goes in the rice. And if there isn't enough stock, you can just use the water. Medium heat, cook until there is small amount of water left. At this point of time, I'm going to reduce the heat to low. Add in all those meat pieces, leftover juices. Cover the meat in a thin layer of rice. Cover it with kitchen cloth. Lid on top and cook this for 25 minutes on low heat. Let's check the rice. Smells really good. See how nice and fluffy they are. Cooked to perfection. For the dressing, juliennes of carrots. Medium heat, add oil, sugar, melt. Add in all the carrots. Mix and cook for 8 minutes. Use green cardamom for a magical smell. Now, to be honest, I like a bite to my carrots, meaning I don't like them too soft. But if you like them soft, you can steam them along with the rice and the meat. Remove all the carrots in a bowl. Smells really good. Same oil, add black raisins. 3 minutes, medium heat. Remove. Pistachios, medium chop. For the sauce, split piece. Rinse and cover in water overnight. Next morning they are doubled in size. Medium high heat, add in the water. Touch of salt, oil. When the water starts to simmer, add in the peas. Red chili, turmeric, paprika, and finally some black pepper. Mix. Now cover and let it cook for 1.5 hours. This should be cooked by now. In a separate pan, add oil, garlic, onions. Cook this until dark brown. This will enhance the flavor and add a great smell. In it goes. Mix and cook for another 5 minutes. Now just turn off the heat. The sauce is done. Have a little taste. Yum. Now you can just decorate it with carrots, pistachios, raisins, etc. So here you have my delicious Kabuli Palaw. with a heartwarming sauce and a great dressing. I hope you guys gonna enjoy this recipe. Please do share with your friends and your family. Thank you very much. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this Qabeli plow with the sauce. Alhamdulillah, looks amazing. Smells great. Bismillah. Wow, the rice are perfectly cooked. The lamb. The lamb is full of flavor, all those spices, wow. Now some people do prefer the sauce with the Qabeli plow, so there you go. Wow. Wallah, the sauce is amazing and the dressing makes everything look so attractive. It's a great dish and it's one of my favorites. Make it for your mom, make it for your dad, make it for your family. Enjoy it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Take care. Enjoy my video.